Annual renewal changes for a card account usually come down to whether your account terms, fees, benefits, or available features are changing before the next membership period. By the end, you'll know what to check before your Arro card renewal, where to find the details, and what steps to take if you do not agree with the changes. The first thing to check is your renewal notice. Card companies generally provide account information before renewal, so you can review any updates that may affect your account. Look for changes in the terms and conditions, account fees, available features, and any requirements connected to keeping the account active. The renewal notice or account documents will show the exact details that apply to your account. The second step is checking your account directly. Open the Arro app or account portal and review your current account information. Compare the current terms with the renewal information, so you can see whether anything has changed. If you notice a difference, focus on the specific item that changed. A change in a fee, account feature, or account condition can affect whether the card still fits your needs. The third step is contacting support if something is unclear. Use the official Arro support channels and ask about the exact renewal change you want explained. Keep a record of the response so you have the information available later. If you decide the updated terms do not work for you, review the options available through your account before the renewal date. The available choices depend on the current account agreement and the company's policies. Renewal questions are easier to handle when you check the details early, instead of waiting until after the renewal happens. The key information is always the updated account terms, the changes listed in your notice, and the options available to you. Your next step is simple. Open your Arro account, find the renewal information, and compare it with your current terms. If this guide helped you understand what to check before a card renewal, like the video and subscribe for more practical account guides.